How many monitors do you need to day trade? Answering this highly debatable, highly sensitive question today. We're actually going to address a video that I have here on my channel with Stephen Kalayjian that I filmed last year at the Ticker Tocker office. This video has over 1.3 million views and thousands of comments. But the most amazing part about it is that 99% of the comments are talking about how many monitors that Stephen has. And Stephen's going to answer why he has so many monitors. And I'm going to talk about this very sensitive subject that people get very, very triggered about. How many monitors do you need to day trade? I'm going to talk about it here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and like I said, I made a video last year. It has 1.3 million views now and thousands of comments, and it's almost embarrassing to read the comments sometimes, especially to show that video to people who aren't in the YouTube drama world and don't understand that most people on YouTube are just looking for a reaction when they leave comments. But it's really frustrating because people watched that video. It's got 1.3 million views. Lots of people watched that video, and their biggest takeaway from that video was simply, there's too many monitors. He's got so many monitors. Why has he got so many monitors? That's all people talked about. So it's like, at the end of the day, Stephen's been trading for 30 years in the market. He's got all this experience. He's trying to help people. He's got his platform. He's doing it. But all people care about is to talk about how many monitors he has. So the last time that I was at the Ticker Tocker office, I asked Stephen to reply to the comments of why he has so many monitors, how many monitors do you need for day trading, and all of that. So let's hear from the man himself why he has so many monitors and what he's doing with those monitors in his trading room. Let's take a look.
Hey everybody, I'm Stephen Kalayjian of Ticker Tocker. Hey, looking at the last video, I saw some comments, so I just want to clarify, having 40 monitors isn't what I expect all of you to have. It is excessive, but I've been trading like this for the last 37 years. I started with about 10 monitors and then I went up to 15, 20. It doesn't make a difference how many monitors. I look at this room because in Ticker Tocker during my live session from 8 to 4 every single day, I'm focusing on index futures like the S&P futures, the NASDAQ futures, ETFs, the spiders, the Russell, the diamonds, and I look at correlation studies. So a lot of it has to do with when my charts are open the way they are, I'm able to see things and then give you the information that you need. Again, the same charts I use, all my users have the identical same charts, but not everybody needs to have all these monitors up and running at one time. A lot of people just trade 2 or 3 stocks a day. Some people trade just the indexes like the S&P futures. And when you trade the S&P futures, you need to look at the S&P futures, in my opinion, the spiders, to pick up buy and sell correlations that I teach all day long. So I saw the comments, and to me this works for me, but in my live room for 8 hours a day, I'm giving out as many ideas that I see where I'm able to identify trends in the markets, reversals in the market, and positive and negative divergences. I have all these charts open for a reason, so I'm the eyes for you, and I'm giving you all this information, plus I'm teaching you how to use my predictive analytics on my telestrator, using and downloading my charting application with my analytics on it. So I saw those comments, and again, I just wanted to clarify, for a beginner, even if you're a most sophisticated trader, I know guys who've been trading for 20 plus years and they have 8 or 10 screens. I have 40. It doesn't make a difference. I'm just passing a ton of information to all the people in my live room that want to learn how to trade in scalp and day trading the markets, or even intermediate and long-term trading. But for me, it's really, really important. I need to have all this information so I can then pass along to you. So real estate's important. You may not be able to have more than 4 monitors, but if I see something happening in the triple Qs or the TQQs or AMD or Beyond Meat, I'm able to see it, and then you can bring up the chart and follow exactly what I'm seeing. So again, I just wanted to put that to rest. Basically, the way I have everything set up here, I look at the 5 and the 15-minute time frame. I have my own charting application where no study can be added or deleted. I built my own predictive analytics. It took me 8 years of my life to build this. And so when I look at equities, I look at the 5 and the 15-minute. When I look at the indexes like the S&P and the NASDAQ, I look at 5 different time frames, the 3-minute, the 5-minute, the 15, the 30, and the hourly charts. It's important for me because the 3-minute time frames, especially on the indexes, I could pick up positive and negative divergences, which will then correlate into moves like in Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, Boeing, any S&P stock. So that's why I have all these screens open, to give me the ability to see things dynamically, and I can relay it and pass it along to you so you can take advantage of what I'm seeing.
All right, so you heard it from the man, the myth, the legend, Stephen, talking about why he has so many monitors, what he's doing with those monitors, and what the whole purpose is. At the end of the day, it's not about, wow, I have 1 million monitors. That's not what this is about. It really comes down to what your trading style is, how you're trading, what you're looking at, and all of that. Now, obviously, I understand that you can have multiple charts pulled up on one screen. But if you had the ability to have multiple screens, to have all the charts pulled up so you can see everything clearly, why would you not want to do that? Is that to say that everybody should go out and buy 40 monitors? No. Is that to say that everybody needs to have, monitors all around them, monitors behind them, monitors in front of them? No. But what it comes down to is you can't be mad at somebody else for having 5 monitors, for having 10 monitors, for having 3 monitors. There's also this comment from people, oh, I make money on my phone. I buy and sell stocks on Robinhood and I make tons of money. Well, congratulations. At the end of the day, when it comes down to it, with day trading in general, figuring out what works best for you is going to be your best plan of action. Just because somebody on YouTube has 5 monitors, just because somebody you follow on Twitter has 10 monitors, does not mean that you need that many monitors to be successful. But at the end of the day, when you're building your office or when you're building your trading room, whatever you want to call it, you're going to basically build that room to suit your needs. If all you do is buy and sell stocks on your phone and you don't need monitors and you're making millions of dollars, well, congratulations. You're awesome. Congratulations. I don't know what else you want to hear from me, because that's also something that I get a lot from people as well. Is they're like, well, he's got all these big monitors and spent all this money on computers, and all I have is my Robinhood app and I'm up 300% on the year. Well, congratulations. Congratulations. At the end of the day, you got to figure out what works best for you, and that's what it really comes down to with day trading in general. There is no perfect strategy. There is no simple answer to what's going to work best for you. Having 10 monitors, having 1 monitor, having 6 monitors, it's the age-old question that comes down to really, what do you need to be a profitable day trader? Do you need 1 monitor? Do you need 2 monitors? Do you need 20 monitors? You've got to ask yourself that question. You've got to build out your own office, and you've got to have your own tools to accomplish the goals that you want to accomplish. And that really is the biggest difference, and that really is one of the most important things about day trading, is figuring out what you need as a person, as a trader, to be successful. Some people only trade 1 stock. Some people trade multiple stocks. Some people trade futures. Some people do different things, so they need different monitors and different setups. Does that mean that any one person is right or wrong for how they do it? No. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that like button, the subscribe button, all the buttons down below. Leave a comment. How many monitors do you guys have? I'm really interested to know how many monitors all of you people watching this video actually have in your trading station. So there it is.
The risk of loss in trading commodity interests can be substantial. You should therefore carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your financial condition, and considering whether to trade or to authorize someone else to trade for you. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.